Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I am going to explain the differences between tasks and functions in Verilog HDL. Let us see the differences between tasks and functions. Function can enable another function, but not another task. A task can enable another task and functions also. Means within the function, we can enable other function, but we can't enable other task within the function. A task can enable other tasks also and other functions also. Functions always start executing at zero simulation time, and tasks may execute in non-zero simulation time also. Means task will be having a delays. Functions must not contain any delay, and it will not be containing any event or timing control statements also. Tasks may contain delay, event, timing control statements. Means the behavioral modeling, event controls and all we can write within the task, but we can't write within the function. Functions must not have output arguments. It must be having at least one input argument. Functions will contain at least one input argument. It may contain more than one input argument also, but not contain output and in-out arguments. But tasks may have zero or more arguments of type input, output or in-out. Task may contain arguments or it may not be contain arguments, but it will allow input, output or in-out type. But functions will allow only input type. Functions always return a single value. They cannot have output or in-out arguments. Tasks do not return any value, do not return with a value, but it will pass multiple values through its output arguments or in-out arguments. Here we need to remember functions must not contain any delay or timing or event control statements. That's why obviously it will start with zero simulation time. And if you look at the tasks, may execute in non-zero simulation time, means it will be depending on the delay or event or the timing control statements what we have written within the task. And functions, at least one input argument should be there within the function. Within the task, it may contain arguments or it may not contain arguments, but it will allow input, output or in-out type. And functions always return a value. It is a single value. And tasks, depending on the output arguments, it is going to return multiple values. It can pass multiple values. Thank you.